Hey there, I'm Luke the Cookin Camper along with Zena the Glamper Camper. Now we're continuing our series of Halloween and fall inspired dishes while we're camping here at the Superstition Mountains. And if you want to see how we made this delicious pumpkin caramel cheesecake dip, keep watching.
We're going to start with 1/3 of a cup of the caramel dip that you find in the store next to the apples. And into that we are going to mix in some crunchy almond butter. We've got 1/4 of a cup. Once you have that all incorporated, you're just going to drop in 1 8-ounce block of some low-fat cream cheese. And after that is thoroughly mixed together, we're going to add in the pumpkin. Now I have some pie pumpkins here that I roasted at home, and we're just going to scoop out 1 cup of their flesh and mix it into the dip.
Well, thank you very much for watching this video. If you liked it, give us a big thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit that bell notification so that you get notified the next time we post our newest Halloween or fall inspired video. Thanks for watching. Get out and enjoy nature and food as much as we do. Have a great one.